You want to see if we can get her to jump the log? Hey, come on, sweetie pie.
Come on, sweetie pie.
She did this shortcut, huh?
Let's try that again.
Okay. She says nope.
What do I? We want that back on.
So here you go, you can see that the goats and the pony get along pretty good. They usually do follow each other around. Horseflies are really bad out there in the taller grasses. We're gonna get some fly spray on her, huh? Might help.
How long is she buzzed on her?
So many of them, huh?
Yeah.
She's getting annoyed by them.
And somebody come in.
Chasing the goats.
Mommy think we're following us. See?
She still gets a little bossy sometimes, huh? Let's see what the goats are eating. All the old leaves off the ground. Just picking them up like a vacuum cleaner.
Hey, you said the goats do not eat off the ground. You say goats do not eat off the ground. And then eating off the ground. Hi, Dora. You want to do a little fence walk?
Yep, we'll keep walking the fence.
Don't fall asleep.
Come on, sweetie pie.
Are you doing a faster one or a slower one?
Watch out, Dad. You're okay. You're fine. Sweetie pie just going the other way. Come on, sweetie pie.
Turn around. Here, sweetie pie. Here, sweetie pie. There's that little booty. Leaving her in a booty. Will you hold something up so down so adults? There you go, adults.
Say bye-bye, Virginia Creeper.
Bye-bye, Cylinder Keeper.
Goats are gonna eat you up.
I'll beg them to eat you.
One Daisy.
And turn your belly into, and turn them belly into a belly, a big belly. I'm so glad I still in here. Feet! Look. Didn't her come in? Here, feet, pie. Here, feet.
Chasing the goats.
Going somewhere else. Oh, darn. And I won't be able to make it through, I don't think.
I bet she will.
Oh. Sweetie pie. Come here, dog.
Let's stay off to the side so she can come down through. Hi, sweetie pie.
Hi, Dora. Hi, Dora.
What's he doing? What's he doing? You going down the big hill?
Going down the big hill.
Oh, going up the big hill.
I changed the mind. See if I come back here. See, come back here. That one away, Vito. Got those legs that move.
All right, let's head on down the hill.
Here, Sweetie pie. Sweetie pie. That naughty naughty little dog. How naughty.
I think so. The goats sure are cleaning up good, huh?
What was that?
Bird.
Is that a hawk?
No,
How do you know?
just because hawks make a louder noise. Right here's y'all an update of the pond. It's been in for probably about a month now. At least 3 weeks, and still flowing strong. And here comes Sweetie Pie. Oops, stopped to investigate. She was drinking out of the trough earlier there. Seemed to really like it. And
Who's coming after me?
haven't quite seen the goats use it yet, but I don't know if they will or not. They've always got fresh water in the barn, so maybe they won't ever use it. But anyways, we planted some orchard grass mix out here, and it's starting to take.
I found something because we found her name like blowing.
Yeah, I think she's just picking on the goats.
Here, Sweetie Pie. Sweetie Pie. Come here.
She's actually doing a pretty good job of eating down some of the grass, and I'm not sure what it's called, but this stuff right here has been popping up everywhere. The goats, they'll eat it. The pony eats it some, but I need to mow it to try to get the grass to come through.
Dada.
All right.
Now do I have to search water? Now do I have to search water every single bit?
Say hey, YouTube.
That's so sense a lot. Don't get your depth on.